Hi, I'm Henry T, and I recently completed my investment banking and financial analytics course at Boston Institute of Analytics. And it was just, for me personally, an outstanding experience. The program covered a diverse range of topics, including, for example, financial modeling, valuation, mergers and acquisitions, and of course also data analytics, which gave me a strong foundation in the field. The mentors were also incredibly knowledgeable and also supportive, and they guided me through every step of the way. The hands-on projects and also the mock interviews really helped me gain practical insight, and they boosted my confidence for, yeah, of course, the real-world challenges. So thanks to BIA, I am now working as an investment banking analyst at JP Morgan Chase. And I'm so grateful for their guidance and for them helping me achieve my career goals. So thank you for that.